who's got a little bit more of a basement voice than I do. He's
They wanted you.
But I can hold my own. I like to have him with me too because he plays guitar and sings and does such a wonderful job. But I'm so happy to be in the house of God.
Yeah.
It's a good day to live and breathe in Him.
Amen, bro.
It is. I enjoyed it so much this morning. Like I said, we were sitting there. Bobby called and said it's canceled. And Brittany's like, well, where are we going to go? And we thought somewhere close by. And then it popped in my head like, let's go north. Let's go up to the mountains.
Amen.
And I'm so glad we did.
Yes.
I'm so glad to be here with you. And I'm so glad that God is my King. Amen.
Amen.
Go to F.